Now I'm going inside because I buy some grocery.
I'm going to destroy my dad car if see he wants gonna drive. Ha 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 ha. Yay. I destroyed my dad car. I'll go and see my movie wiki on fandom.
I'm going to buy Villager and Illusionary. Yes, Steve and Alex know the video game because my CapCut Jr. wants it. Fourtyeight. Get fuck shit over here right now. Did you destroy my car? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes I did.
Fourtyeight. How dare you destroy my car? That's IT. You are grounded forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Go to your room and go to your house right now.
Wow.